All right, so just finished the workout. Today was back and biceps, but back was literally heavy. And initially, I was in a 50-50 mood. But once I entered the gym, then I just thought that I had to give my 100%. Like I'm very much grateful to the gym and the gym community and everything because, and the God, I mean Himself, uh, because I think this is the best area which you can say like it can change somebody, it can change someone's personality. So for example, like suppose you are a very underconfident guy, right, or girl. Once you enter the gym, slowly when you improve yourself, when you um, build the consistency and you improve yourself, so there will be a time when you will get to know and when you will have a lot of examples. Suppose you tried. So suppose my dream was to hit 100 kg squat, let's say. So initially when I entered the gym, I was only able to do, let's say, 25 or 30 kgs. But now I can hit 100 kgs for 6 to 8 reps. So I understood one thing, that when you are consistent in something, when you give your 100%, and when you improve yourself holistically, then one day you are surely going to achieve it. So, and I can use this example in my normal life as well. Suppose there is something which I am finding very difficult. There is like study related problems or work related problems and all those things. I can use this example. So I'm very much grateful to God that I have that amount of finances. I have that amount of um, what I can say. I have that amount of consistency. I have that amount of self belief, and I have maintained myself, uh, or to motive. I have maintained the discipline to go to gym every day, and that is why when I see myself today, I'm very proud of that. That what I was and what I am now. There's a lot of change, so it's a really great thing. Sometimes I really think that um, who made this, and how amazing this is. So when like there are a lot of guys who ask me about the consistency and how I build the consistency after doing work, after doing a lot of other things. But I just want to say one thing. Um, just don't rely on motivation. Build that habit. And once you build that discipline for, let's say, 3 months or 6 months, and once you see the changes in you, I guarantee you that you will never want to leave the gym till your death. This is what I mean. This is the magic. Like one should always experience this. So motivation comes from discipline. So that is how you can maintain the consistency. And yes, just don't miss today's lifts. It was really great, like 100 kgs left, lat pull down for three. So 1 month back, I was not able to do that, but now I can. And then um, I did 100 kgs bar row for 3 to 4 reps. That's also a very great achievement for me. And just one more advice, that always be humble when you achieve something in life. Always try to be humble, help people how much you can. I mean, be aware and don't expect anything in return. So that's a motto for helping anybody. And lastly, there are like guys who are asking me that how I can increase my strength and how I can. I just told one thing, that like you just need to eat well. Your diet is 70% which walk towards your strength. So if you want to build strength, then your diet should be like very good. Your sleep or your recovery should be of utmost important. A continued 6 hours to 7 hours of sleep is very much needed for a guy who wants to increase his or her strength. The other aspects are, take less stress, or always try to find peace. So all of these things we can talk about it, and I can talk about it more and more. So we'll talk about it tomorrow. Tomorrow is the leg day, which is like the epic day for all the gym goers, and I've started enjoying legs. So yes, let's wait for tomorrow. You can enjoy back today.